Hello, New Life Southwoods.
Happy
Happy 6th year anniversary. We are Espelita family. Ayun na, so we've been a member of this church we've been an attendee of this church for 3 years. 3 years na.
3 years.
Tapos maliit pa si Primo noon, then wala pa si Paula, bago kami. Then ngayon, ito na sila, malalaki na. Yung pagiging Kristiyano namin, we are kind of unorthodox. Hindi kami yung typical na mga extremist. So, we are kind of open. We kind of follow the Bible sa teachings lang, no? So, ayun nga, yun yung ini-instill namin sa mga anak namin. And then, yung ano namin kay Lord, yung connection namin sa Kanya, hindi lang namin nagagamit sa church lang, ganyan. More on our daily lives din. Lalo na sa pagpapalaki nitong dalawa na kailangan ng sobrang laking pasensya at sipag lalo dahil yung responsibilidad namin is not just with the two of us anymore. So, kailangan na kailangan ng times 2, hard work at sipag at tiyaga.
Ayun nga, as a parent, syempre, pagsubok talaga yung everyday na kasi makukulit, bata. So, kailangan talaga ng pagpipray mo talaga kay Lord yung mahabang pasensya. Kasi syempre, nakakaano naman kung papagalitan mo. So, yun. Kapit lang kay Lord. Para mapalaki ng maayos.
So, yun nga. Isa pang malaking bagay sa amin is yung presence ni Pastor James, ni Pastora Grace. Kasi alam naman natin yung journey with ng isang Kristiyano. Hindi yan, puro positive. It's full of ups and downs. So, yung having them as our spiritual leader is a big help kasi hindi na madali yung mga problema lalo na as a parents. So yung meron kaming nilulook up to si Pastor James at sila Pastora Grace. Sobrang big help nun lalo sa aming young mom and dad. Saka yan, lastly, to end, si Lord never kaming binitawan, pinabayaan. Marami kaming instances sa buhay na parang sa basketball, tambak na. Tapos, at the very last minute, nakakambak pa, nananalo pa kami. Parang gano'n. So, yun yung ending namin. At thanks for listening to us. And once again, we are Espelita family and God bless.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.